If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie Ezanumba the First, Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyichukwu Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.
The year 2024 was launched with lots of expectations, and one of them for Anglican faithfuls of Niger Diocese is yet another awesome synod. This expectation was fulfilled as the 32nd Synod of the Church of Nigeria, Anglican Communion, province of the Niger Diocese on the Niger was highly impactful with the theme Christian Stewardship, Service to God and Humanity was explained with challenges Christians are confronted with. During his sermon at the Synod Thanksgiving service at St. Christopher's Church, Odakpo, Onitsha, the Bishop of Ohaji Eboma, Right Reverend Chidi Collins Oparajiako, explained how to overcome. Narrating his ordeal in Ohaji Eboma, he illustrated what it means to give account for Christian stewardship.
I said, I'm not going to court. One Saturday morning, I dressed up my black castle, carry my cruiser straight to that land. And I got to that land, laid on the ground, that he reigned. Makurunelu Idi. See Chineke here while again. You have no care where then shame to you. You have one them so I give one like them to your honor. I'm gone. So I got up, they took my cruiser, do a crown Kobe, na land. Ghana Palace says na alam, neighbor na alam, 7 days. Sir, it's not today, 7 days. If you don't die, I will resign. And I left. So the man drove me, drove me into my house. Where I was in. Bishop, if you're able to go, there were 2 of them.
Speaking to newsmen after Synod Thanksgiving service at St. Christopher's Church, Odakpo, Onitsha, on Sunday, 9th June 2024, the Bishop on the Niger, Bishop Owen Nwokoro, explained Christian stewardship further, stating that everything we own belongs to God. Christians should put it into use to benefit the kingdom of heaven and the society, faithfully serving the Lord.
Everything we own belongs to God. Whatever it is, our life, our talents, our money, everything, name them, they all come from God. And the Lord expects that they be put into use for the benefit of His kingdom and for the society. As He, God, created the world and did everything for our favor, He expects that whatever He has given should not be hidden, should not be buried, should not be wasted, but invested into things that will be productive to help society.
Looking at the activities of the 32nd Synod and establishment of university on the Niger, Bishop of Mbamili Diocese, Anglican Communion, Right Reverend Dr. Obiora Uzochukwu, stated that Niger Diocese is moving from glory to glory.
Niger Diocese is moving from glory to glory. And we will thank God for Niger Diocese and what God is using them to do. We congratulate them for the University on the Niger and the giant stride they are taking in education on every aspect of life. They are making impact and we are identifying with them.
So since you've seen all of this, what do you intend to do from what you've seen here when you get to your own territory?
We are charged today to be good stewards, to do the work of God without fear or favor. And we know that the Lord will really help us.
Former Speaker, Anambra State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Emeka Anyaneti, looking at the meaning of Christian stewardship, said that we are all sojourners on earth, and the duty of every human being is to impact all things we met here on earth.
Very clearly, we are all sojourners on earth. And like what the preacher said, he said that all things on earth were there before we came. So we just came to try to impact on those things. So we see ourselves as stewards. A steward comes into the kitchen of his master and cooks what is in the kitchen there and serves the master. So in the same vein, I want to believe that we have a duty to do our job as stewards.
Also looking at the theme Christian stewardship, Engineer Idemili Emmanuel Opotifa Ademma Nkembonampo explained that it is all about looking unto the gospel of Jesus Christ in bringing about success in Christendom. Highlights of the event was cutting of cake and other activities. From St. Christopher's Church, Odapo, Onitsha, Martin Ifeanyi Ekezie reporting.
If you know your history, then you will know where you are coming from. And in whatever you do, seek wisdom. Knowledge is power. Inugo Maka the book, Hip Hop and Igbo Culture, authored by Martin Ifeanyi Ekezie, exam the first. Metal of Ebona the 103.5 FM. There is a great insight in hip hop and Igbo culture. You can get this book or pick it up at a bookshop in St. Teresa's Catholic Church, Omonya, or at Ebona the 103.5 FM Ogidi. You go to www.amazon.com, search for Hip Hop and Igbo Culture by Martin Ifeanyi Ekezie. For further information on how to get this book, please call 080-3916-7049 or you WhatsApp 080-6579-6599.